Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable USB ports in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To disable USB ports in Windows 11, the first step is to open the Device Manager. You can easily do this by typing Device Manager into the Windows search bar, and then selecting the application from the search results. Once Device Manager is open, you will need to locate and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section. Within this expanded list, find each entry labeled USB Root Hub. Right-click on each USB Root Hub and select the Disabled Device option. Repeat this process for all the USB Root Hub entries you find. Performing this action will effectively disable all USB ports on your computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.